We're Sia and Kristen of Hopscotch the Globe, and for the past month we've been doing updates to our Airstream Luna. Now Luna was already beautiful, but we did want to make some updates and changes to certain parts of her. We also needed to make a little bunk bed for our daughter Kai. In this video, we're turning our shower into a spa. We're also building an accent wall and an apothecary cabinet because Kristen is a part-time witch doctor.
What do you want? Just joking, hi. Welcome to the outside of Luna. I'm currently standing in the washroom, kind of brainstorming how I want it to look because we're going to be redesigning this washroom. Even though it is really beautiful, we want to take it to the next level. And I'm thinking like Morocco meets Mexico kind of vibes in here. I want basically, I'm going to show you. I want this washroom to be completely different than the rest of the Airstream. So if you were to walk, you know, through the Airstream and then come to the washroom, you'd be kind of like, whoa, was not expecting that. A lot of color, a lot of culture. Kind of will take you through like a little walkthrough of the stuff that we're going to change in here. Oh, hi, Sia.
Hey, what's up?
Can you hold that for a sec?
Yeah.
I'm going to do a little tour. This sink has been the one thing in this washroom that I've hated. It's too small, it splashes everywhere, it just creates a mess all the time. So this is going to go. I also don't like this. I just don't like the look of it, and it's also really bulky. It's pretty much bigger than the sink. We need a curtain. We haven't had a curtain in this washroom ever. It'd be nice to get a little bit more privacy if we're at RV parks. I don't want people staring at my butt the whole time. And we're gonna be changing the shower system. We partnered with Nebia, and they've created this shower technology that creates a spa-like experience, and you use almost half the amount of water that you would with the typical shower system. And apparently it's really easy to install, Sia, but we're working with Airstream, so.
Nothing with the Airstream is easy to install.
No. What I know about this so far is that you get 2 times the amount of coverage, but you're using less water.
I'm hoping that it can sit a little bit higher than this, because as you can see with this on, it's hitting me from the neck down.
Interesting.
Yeah. So lots of big hardware pieces.
But it slides up and down, so that's nice.
There's a separate one that's attached to a magnet. This is the magnet. And this will be really easy to wash Kai at the bottom, or to wash Atlas, our dog. So this will be handy. Okay. That was the part I was worried about. Came out.
Sweet. Not only am I here for moral support, but I have been reading the instructions, just so you know. Teamwork. Teamwork.
You're actually doing a great job at reading the instructions.
It was recommended that we were supposed to wait 24 hours because there is some adhesive that is holding the Nebia in place on the wall, and it needed time to adhere itself. Now we can turn it on! See if it works.
This is the moment of truth. But wait. We don't have this, like, we need to caulk this. So I don't want it to spray up. Let's just like bring it down so that it doesn't.
Yeah, of course.
Spray on that?
No one's taking a shower in here.
No,
we're
no.
just testing it out.
That's actually very convenient that it does that.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? I'm scared. Definitely spraying out. We need that shower curtain.
It's spraying. Oh, they're both spraying. We're getting everything wet! We're getting everything wet!
This is off right now. That's good. Cool. I can actually bring this a little bit over here. It feels really good. Awesome. Yeah, that's nice.
This is definitely more water than our last
No, but it's
shower
not.
head.
It's not more water. It's the way it's dispersed. Because you're using less water.
It feels like more water. Or maybe just the spread. Maybe I'm just like feeling more. Yeah, before our coverage was maybe like this. Oh, it's super convenient. It also swivels side to side. That's nice.
Special delivery came today. I've been waiting over a month for it. Hold on. All right. Dun da da da. Wallpaper for our feature wall. Well, we have many feature walls. It's gonna be the wall. Can you see it in here? Yes, there we go. This wall in the kitchen that has been just white is no longer gonna be white. I chose this really, really beautiful wallpaper from Spoonflower. They have an awesome variety of wallpaper. It's got these like really cool, almost like tribal patterns. It's a peel and stick method, so it's a little easier than the other method. I'm not sure what it's called. What's wrong, Kai?
Kai, you're covered in paint. Are you painting today?
No.
Hey, bud.
Oh.
High five. High five.
Putting wallpaper up in my bra.
It's looking really good.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a carpet.
It feels really like great quality wallpaper too. It's
Yeah.
thick.
I started putting up the wallpaper and Kristen was instructing me because I was doing everything incorrectly. You gotta take over when you're better at a task and know when to step back. Back at it again. It's the morning and we're gonna do the rest of the wallpaper now. Well, who am I kidding? Kristen's doing the rest of the wallpaper. Need anything?
Nope.
Perfect. What do you have?
Apple.
Yeah. Is it good?
Hi.
Hi, Lucas.
Oh, Airstream curved walls. I love you and I hate you.
Gotta love them curves.
It's true. Love it. Kai, we rock.
Hey, how'd you get up there?
Please. This. I go.
I'll take your scraps.
I had this idea of building an apothecary cabinet on this wall because another passion of mine is plant medicine. I want to be a witch doctor, basically. I want to go out and forage and collect medicinal plants and make potions and also have a place to store my essential oils. So that's what this cabinet will be, and I'm really pumped about this project. It's at the top of my list. For all the things in here, this is at the top of the list. So let's get started and make an apothecary cabinet.
This is my first time making a frame like this, and I screwed up. I put the trim on the wrong side. So I had to cut a new piece. Bada bing, bada boom! Whoa. This thing has awesome focus. I screwed in these pieces of wood as like a guide so that I could get a perfect right angle and get all the pieces in there nice. Okay, so this is our frame. It's glued, it's staple gunned, and I'm gonna let it sit for, I don't know, a little bit, half an hour. Let it dry, and then we can add the chicken wire.
Very good. Turned out pretty nice. Chicken wire. Comes in this massive roll. Ugh. Cool. And then cut it to size. We actually got a good pair of safety goggles that suction, so there's no dust, nothing's gonna fly inside. It's pretty sweet. Don't have to use my ski goggles anymore. Time to staple gun it. Did not work. Whoopsie. Try it again. There we go. Looks good. Let's go check it out. See how it looks on the Airstream. It's going right here. Very cool. Maybe I'll even flip it this way. I think that actually looks better. Yeah. Now that this part is done, I am going to build some shelving to go inside. Before I get into the shelving, I put these little hinges on, and now we can put our beautiful, our door to our cabinet on. Let's do it.
This actually turned out really good. I'm impressed with it.
It's beautiful. It's
Yeah,
everything
yeah.
I wanted. It's not even done yet. We still have to add a handle. It's going to be like a crystal and a magnet, so it stays shut.
And then like some sort of a stain on here, but even the dowels, like, they're solid. Like, they're super solid. And this,
I want to put like the quote from Naka, one of my favorite my all-time favorite artists, I should say. You can heal it all with plant medicine, and like put like that quote there.
yeah, that would look nice.
Yeah, and make all my potions. All my potions.
Yeah.
Yeah.